Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Festus 67's Workshop, and welcome to Build the Batmobile from the classic 1966 TV series, issue number 23, folks. Yes, already. If you'd like to build along with me, click this link all the way along here. Head over to the Fanhome website and take out a subscription for this beautiful, beautiful Batmobile. Have a quick shifty through the magazine there. We got the Ring of Wax. This was the Riddler doing his thing again, been a mischief, a right naughty fella. Lure of the Lost Treasure, says there. This is the House of Wax. Batman versus the Vampire. Says he steps into the supernatural, folks. Demons and Hauntings, Batman 60. This is the 1960 comic detective series there. Nice little bit of camouflage he's got there, isn't it, eh? Some more comic info there, folks. Lots of information in these about the series and the history of the Batman, and that's worth a good read, folks. World's Finest, Secret of the Creature there, Time Creature. This is what we've got today, nice and simple today. We've got some bits of the wheel, so yeah. So we're going to be putting that together and getting that all sorted out. So a couple of bits there just to press together, and we're getting ready then to start building up the next wheel, okay? We'll just put that at the back and we'll grab our sections there, folks. Let's grab our parts and probably do parts 23 and 24 today, okay, just to give us something a bit more to do there. So that's the bits from part 23, but we're also going to be doing section 24 as well, okay. So we're going to be doing a bit of that. So we got the tyre, some screws, the other half of the rim, like so, going together, and we're going to end up with our wheel like so, okay? So I want to do two issues today, purely and simply because it gives us that wheel assembly then, okay? So we'll grab the bits of that as well. There you go. And we've got CP screws there, folks, okay? So, shall we grab our bits and bobs and get this all sorted out, yeah? So this is from the previous issue. So we want to go that way round, if I remember rightly, like so. Yeah, that's right. And then we can grab the tyre and lock that over the top like so. And then we can get this wheel rim and lock that over the two of them like so. So that's kind of what we want to be doing, okay? Bringing that in, and then we're going to pinch all of this together, folks, okay? So that's what it's telling us. So we'll make sure that we're doing everything correctly. I just want to double check that we're going in right. Yeah, that's got them holes up there, 24B then, and we're going to be doing the pinch of the tyre there, okay? So then we'll put in a few screws, and then as they go in, we can start pulling this wheel together. So let's grab all of those. We'll put some oil on them so that we can start pulling this together. I'll grab that. Grab the first screw. I want to try and get one going so that we can start popping this wheel together, okay? I just want to make sure I'm lining up one. There you go. Now I can let it go. And I can screw these pretty much straight in, like so. I'm going to do opposites as near as damn it. So I'm going to go up there, do that one. I'll start pinching that nice and tightly, like that. Then the same on that one. Work our way around the wheel then. Just like that. A little bit more oil. Come around and do that one. Just like so. And then bring that one in. Just like that. And that will pinch that screw then. And there you go. Now we can go back round and do some of these. Like that. There you go. That's that wheel done now, folks. Quickly go round, double check they're all nipped up, which they are. And that is this issue done, folks, okay? That's what you're going to end up with at this stage. And that compressed all of that together, and that is now ready to get mounted on there. So that's issues 23 and 24 done today. Gives us another back wheel. So remember, if you'd like to build this with me, folks, head over to this link here, all the way along there. Head over to the Fanhome website, take out a subscription for this beautiful 1/8 scale Batmobile. You will not be disappointed, folks. Also, click the festa there and go and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Really helps me grow. Also, ring the bell below there, just down there. Select all, and that will give you access to all the content that comes up, and it will notify you when it's all up and running on the channel. Until the next time, stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.